Welcome to Calphaman, guys. Today we will be talking about Mancera's lemon line, and we will also be unboxing the scent. So stay tuned. Now, ever since I have used a decant of this perfume, this has become one of my favorite lemon fragrances out there because it is long lasting, which is very rare in case of lemon scents, and it smells really classic. So we'll talk about that once we do the unboxing of this first. So if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. You can also share it with people whom you think will love fragrances, because this channel is all about fragrances, guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So as you can see, this is just a plain black box, nothing very special about the box. You just have Mancera lemon line written right there. It's like a sticker, but yeah, it's not. Okay, and at the back you can see the Mancera logo, and you have the ingredients, you have the barcode, you have the precautions at the bottom, nothing much at the top. That's about the box, guys. Nothing special about the box. Now once you open it, there's a small trick here. There you go. So Mancera normally gives out perfumes in these pouches. So this one is kind of a rose gold color, the pouch. It's a good quality pouch. I mean, you can feel the quality when you hold it. So guys, if you really like buying perfumes and your wife is upset that you spend a lot on perfumes, every time you buy a Mancera scent, you can gift her a small jewelry pouch. Just kidding, guys. Buy her something good as well. She deserves it. So this is the bottle. I really love Mancera bottles because these are really classy cylindrical bottles. Simple, but yet really classy and timeless. This one specifically has these black lines all over, and it's completely blacked out at the bottom and on the top. And there is this gunmetal kind of a cap, which is a magnetic cap. Oops. Yeah, there you go. It's a magnetic cap, guys. It's a really strong magnet because it'll hold it in place. But I would not recommend you holding it with a cap. I would always say hold it from the bottom and then open the cap. The cap itself is not only gunmetal, it's also a metallic cap. So there's that. And the bottle itself feels really sturdy. It feels like it can take a fall, and yet nothing's going to happen. So I'm going to show this to you about the fall. Are you kidding me? I'm not going to do that. Anyways, let's talk about the sprayer. It's got a decent sprayer. So as soon as you spray the scent, there is this unmistakable lemon smell that you get. It's like a slap of lemon on your face. It's like a burst of lemon on your face. It's a really classy, candied kind of a lemon with all those elements playing in the background, like oak moss, geranium, white moss, lavender, and all of that, all the classy notes. However, lemon here asks them to keep quiet at least for the first 15 minutes to half an hour, because lemon is the major player. It's a beautiful lemon scent, guys. I really love this because of all those classy elements that also bring it to life, I would say. All these classy notes that I just mentioned pushes the scent and the lemon note so that it lasts really a really long time. So I have also made a full video about lemon line on my channel. I will leave a link to that in the description. If you are interested in this scent, please go ahead and watch that video. If you like it, please go ahead and purchase this scent. Let me know your thoughts on Mancera's lemon line. As always, thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next video, guys.